Morning. I am going to walk you through the Perfect Keto coffee I make for my wife every day because she is a coffee lover, and I wanted to make this video because I had to let you know that Perfect Keto, if you guys use Perfect Keto, they are having a 50% off sale, and I have a code for it down below. So you just click the link. You can get 50% off if you buy 5 products or more, 50% off, and every day of the sale, they're going to have a package of 55% off. And that's going to be going from Black Friday to Cyber Monday. So check out the link below. If the link's already expired because you didn't get it for Black Friday or Cyber Monday, we'll still have a big discount. But right now, 50 to 55% off. All right, so first, you take 1 scoop of your favorite flavored or unflavored MCT powder. You take 1 scoop of your favorite flavored or unflavored keto collagen. You add 6 ounces of your favorite coffee. And you're also going to add 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream to get that extra level of fat. Dump that in there. Mix it up real good. Now pour it in your coffee cup and you are ready to drink. Delicious, tasty, creamy, Perfect Keto coffee. To complete our iced coffee, take your 1 cup of ice, throw your coffee in there, stir it up, and it's ready to go. And enjoy. Now my wife, she loves to take this and blend it up in the bullet so that it almost makes like a snow cone effect in there. And so you can also have that as well, but this is also a delicious iced coffee ready to go. Take your ice and your coffee, blend it up. You're going to get your ice coffee consistency, which is almost like a slushy, coffee slushy.